Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and tonight we have steak stir fry. Whenever we go out to the Asian restaurants, whenever we get to-go food and bring it back here, I always get what?
Beef and broccoli.
Beef and broccoli. And someone always eats the
beef.
And I always get the broccoli, which means I don't get to taste the beef and broccoli. So I'm making just beef today so we can not gonna have arguments over the beef and broccoli. So what do we need? I've got 1.5 pounds of flank steak. I'm really gonna use 1 pound unless someone convinces me to do it all. 1.5 pounds of flank steak. And I've got, I'm supposed to remember all this. We'll put it down in the description, all the stuff I have here. I got 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. I've got 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons each of dark soy sauce and regular soy sauce. We had to go get the dark soy sauce. 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, white green onions, regular green onions, onions for the marinade. Like I said, it'll be in the description. For cooking, black pepper. We had to go to the supermarket to find sake.
Yeah,
rice wine. But I got sake. Some more oyster sauce, garlic powder, and some water so we can make our sauce. Good? Mm-hmm. I'll start slicing this beef. I'm gonna get my steak ready by slicing against the grain so it stays tender, and we're not gonna make these thick slices. So I'll probably go, again, this is 1.5 pounds, so I'll go like this and not use this much. And then I'll go against the grain here, but first I'll slice this in the middle so we don't have big pieces of beef. Not that we would complain since Triple M likes, but anyways, slice against the grain.
Not enough?
That's why I said, hopefully I'm not speeding through this. That's why I said, I'll see what Triple M says, because she's gonna say do more, right?
Oh, that's so little. There's 5 people in this house.
So I'll do the other half now.
Not 3 anymore. 4 pounds.
So I got my beef all ready, and now we're gonna get it in the marinade. I'll get the beef in, and I'm not gonna repeat what I'm adding, but you guys already know what I'm adding. The cornstarch, salt, baking powder, sugar, sesame oil, 2 types of soy sauce. This is not gonna wanna come out, but that's the oyster sauce. And we'll mix to combine. Just gonna go ahead and mix and combine all those seasonings. And we're gonna let this marinate for at least 15 minutes. The beauty of stir fry is, this step is fast. So we'll be right back after 15 minutes. We are ready for our stir fry portion. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a couple tablespoons of olive oil in the bottom of my pan. Turn it on over medium-high heat. I'm gonna add in the onions that I separated, the half onion, and the scallions, the white parts, or the lower part of the scallion. I'm gonna get that tossed. I'm gonna cook it some, but not all. I'm gonna obviously put it back in with the beef, but I wanna get rid of the raw edge because this onion is
feisty.
Been going for literally a minute and a half. How's it smelling here?
Very good.
Hopefully you guys are seeing the color, how it's coming through.
Yeah.
And I'm almost about to pull it out. Just trying to cook the raw edge off, not soften. And that's good enough. I'll go ahead and pull them out. And our onions are done.
Smells good.
Now on to the beef. couple tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna go over high heat for this one. I'm gonna let it get color on the bottom, and then I'll flip and toss, and we'll go on to our next steps. Once you have color on the bottom, you can start tossing. So hopefully you guys can see the color on there. Can you see the color on there?
Yes.
So now I'll start tossing this. Cook a little more, and then we'll start adding, building flavors and adding stuff in. How's that color look, Nita?
Good. Oh, good.
Okay, so my beef is almost there. I'm gonna add in my garlic. And when do we start stirring it again?
When it gets ready.
People listen. Michael's Kitchen. Stir that all, get that all incorporated in the bottom of the pan and all the pieces. You guys smell it over there yet?
Yeah. Oh, garlic, I don't know.
I'm gonna add in the rest of my oyster sauce. A couple of shots of the sake. Black pepper. And give that all a toss. Now does it smell even better? I'm gonna add in my water along with that cornstarch I marinated the beef with. That's gonna get my thickening agent going for my sauce. Add in my green onions. And when it gets thick, we're done. Well, the thickness that you're after. So the sauce is thickened up to what I want, and now I'm gonna add in my onions. Let them soak up for a few seconds, and this dish is ready to serve.
Smells good.
Saucy too. And we're gonna get ready to serve over here without making a mess. The key word is without.
Wow.
Beef and onion stir fry that Triple M and I can share. How's that look?
Oh, that looks good.
All right. I get cleaned up here and we'll go to our tasting session. Paused for our thumbnail, added some sesame seeds, got a little rice ready. Everyone is saying it smells good, yes,
And it looks good.
but we don't know what it tastes like. I have not sampled it, haven't cheated. Let's see what we're working with. Well, I'll taste the beef.
Is it good? The broccoli is the best part.
That's good. No ginger, simple.
Looks good. It smells delicious. Good. Yeah. No, I got mine.
Go taste it. He made it for you.
I know, but my hands are
Your hair's in
mess.
a ponytail.
Want some hot sauce?
Who?
Taste a little bit of beef, some onions,
Hi.
and some rice.
Look, you guys are matching.
This is smaller.
Oh, that's good. Yo tengo un chinito en la casa.
Oh God. Guys, if you like the video,
Like the video.
comment down below if there's anything you want to try and make. Subscribe for more. That said, I'm buen tiempo. See you guys.
Good.
See you guys next Friday. That one, all right?
It's everything sweet.